voice is okay?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So today is chapter 16, Daiva Sura Sampad Vivaga Yoga. So Daiva Sura means, Daiva means divine, Asura means demon. So divine and demoniac nature we have to describe. And what are the people? Some people are having demoniac nature, some people are having divine nature. That we have to describe. Okay. मम ज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशालकाय चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमः विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्तस्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रसारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौरभक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। So chapter 16, Daivasura Sampada Vivaga Yoga, are divine and demoniac natures. So a quick recap, you can unmute someone. How can we go back to Krishna, the Godhead? Anyone can answer this? Unmute one, someone.
Yes, Arav, you can unmute. Hare Krishna.
Can you tell how to go to Krishna Lok, near Krishna?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes.
We can go back to Krishna by chanting and by doing his puja.
Yes. So if you do some spiritual work like chanting, worshipping, okay, hearing, so we can go back to Krishna Lok. So when one goes there, he never come back. Okay, that is the supreme abode of Krishna. That is in the spiritual world. Okay. So this one, who is going? Ahan is there. Ahan. Hare Krishna. Ahan. Unmute. Read this
Yes,
one.
Ahan, you can unmute.
Yes, divine
Hare
nature
Krishna.
or transcendental quality. So these are the divine nature some people are having. So please read this one. Which are the divine nature?
Krishna Prabhuji, fearless, humble, spiritual knowledge, charity, steady determination, self-control, moments of sacrifice, simplicity, non-violence, freedom from envy, austerity, truthfulness, compassion for all living entities, cleanliness.
Yes. So these are the quality of divine person. So this quality is there means you can say these are the divine quality. Fearlessness. He will not fear anyone. Cultivation of spiritual knowledge. In some every time he will be reading some spiritual books like Vedic literature. Charity, steady determination, self-control. He will not be disturbed. He will be steady, self-control. Perform different type of sacrifices. He is very simple. He is not showing nature. It's simple, non-violence. He don't scold anyone, don't beat anyone. Freedom from envy. He don't be envious on anyone. Austerity, truthfulness, compassion for all living entities, and cleanliness. So all these qualities are there means you can understand this person is having divine quality or divine nature. So it is like 4 pillars of dharma. Only austerities, no intoxication, cleanliness, no illicit relations, truthfulness, no gambling, compassion, no meat eating. Because you will be compassionate towards the animal means you cannot kill them. So these are the 4 pillars of dharma. Now these are the demoniac nature. Arisha is there. Arisha. So this type of people are called demons. Previously, we have seen the demon. Now demoniac quality is there within many individuals. They are called demoniac nature. Please read this one, Arisha.
Yes, Prabhuji. No belief or faith in God, no belief in the existence of soul, pride, arrogance, anger, harshness, arrogance, desire to be famous, demanding respect from others, do not follow or believe
Shastra,
Shastras.
Shastra.
Shatras.
Okay, Shastra. So this type of people are called the demoniac people. So just opposite to the divine people. They don't believe on faith, they don't have faith on God or Shastra. They told that Shastra, they doubt about the Shastra. Shastra means there's religious books. Okay, so there's Shastra. No belief on existence of God. There is no concept of God. They are very proud, arrogant, anger, harshness, ignorance. Okay, always they want to be famous, desire to be famous, demanding respect from others. So all these qualities are demoniac qualities. So we have to avoid all these qualities. So we have to identify which are the demoniac quality, and slowly we'll try to remove it from us. Then only we'll develop the divine quality. So you can see here, this person is very compassionate, helping the poor. So this is a divine quality. Now you can see here, this person is learning and showing, shouting. It's a demoniac nature, like demon. Okay. So we should not do like this. Little mute someone. Some background noise is coming.
Sir, it's not in my end.
Okay. How to develop the divine quality in us and defeat the demons in us. So each and every individual will be having some divine quality, some demoniac quality. So here God is telling you have to remove the demoniac quality. You try to remove the demoniac quality so that divine quality will increase. Okay, then you will be a good person. Now see here, purification process, how to increase the divine quality and decrease the demoniac quality. This is mainly by devotional service. If you practice the devotional service, slowly all the divine quality will develop and demoniac quality will decrease. Like these are the main devotional service, like chanting, hearing, honoring prasadam. So these are the main devotional service. If you do, slowly you will be purified and all the demoniac quality will go from you. Now the
Excuse me,
question,
Prabhuji.
yes,
Actually, Aditi has joined. Can you make her co-host?
okay.
मम्मा कुछ मत बोलो कुछ मत बोलो
No. Aditi, Hare Krishna. She is now co-host, I think. Hare Krishna.
I think she left.
Yes, okay, leave it. Just take care of the sound. Now, when to start the devotional life or spiritual practice? When to start? So, Prahlad Maharaj has started the spiritual life before birth. Means when he has not taken birth, he was in the womb of the mother. That time, and there was a war between demigods and the demons. So that time, demigods tried to kill the mother of Prahlad. Then he has been saved by Narada Muni, because killing a pregnant woman is very sinful. He saved her and keep in his ashram. That time Prahlad was inside the womb of the mother. That time every day Narada Muni was telling something about Lord Krishna and Vishnu, and Prahlad was listening there inside the womb of the mother. So after birth he became a great devotee of Lord Vishnu. So for Prahlad Maharaj, the spiritual practice has been started before birth. But what is the real time to start the spiritual practice? Some people tell it is the old age we have to start, but that is not correct. The grandson of Prahlad Maharaj is Bali Maharaj. Bali Maharaj has told the spiritual practice should be started as early as possible. Usually the age is 5 years. Kaumara age group is 5 years. It should be started as early as 5 years. Then you will be able to understand. So I'm happy that you are very young age. You are trying to listen and understand Bhagavad Gita. You'll be able to understand many things. Suppose there is no spiritual input in the childhood, and at the old age you want to listen and understand, it is very difficult. You cannot understand. At the age of 30, 35, suppose you will start, only 50% you can understand. Age of 60 you will start means you cannot understand anything, very difficult. So it has to be started little early age, then you will be able to understand. Okay. Then what are the 6 qualifications we are proud of? Usually human beings are proud of many things. Anubhav is there. Anubhav. Hare Krishna, Anubhav.
Anubhav. Yes, Prabhuji. Yes.
Yes,
Hare
unmute and
Krishna.
read this.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes.
What are 6 qualifications we are proud of? Wealth, education, beauty, austerity, youth, good family.
Yes, so these are the things the people usually proud of. I'm having good amount of money, so I'll be very proud. I'm good education. I'm very learned person, so he'll be proud. I'm so beautiful. He or she will be proud. Austerity, youth, family. I'm having a good family. He'll be very proud. So these are the things which makes the people very proud. So, Samruddhi, are you there? Read this.
Samriddhi. Yes, Samriddhi Sharma, I can unmute.
Prabhuji, should I start?
Yes.
Maharaja Dakesh Prajapati, due to his pride, arrogance, anger, harshness, and ignorance, did not invite Lord Shiva to the Yagna.
Yagna. So there is a small story regarding Daksha, Prajapati Daksha. He's the son of Brahmadev, Brahma, Lord Brahma. So what happened? Daksha was given the chance to increase the population. So he has got one daughter, so many daughters. He has got one daughter whose name is Sati. Sati was married to Lord Shiva, but Prajapati Daksha was not willing. He was not liking Lord Shiva. So one day he was doing one yagna, and Shati, his daughter, came. There, Daksha offended the Lord Shiva so much, she could not bear and jump and committed suicide. Okay. After that, Lord Shiva came. She became very fearful, and Sati was dead. Lord Shiva took the dead body and roaming here and there, and he killed the Daksha, beheaded. He cut the head of the Daksha. So after that, what happened? Daksha realized that yes, I have committed a sin, because Lord Shiva is the greatest personality. Vaishnavanam Tatha Sambhu, greatest Vaishnava.
Prabhuji, what is Yagna?
Yagna means sacrifice. Yagna means they'll keep some fire, geese, na? They will do some puja. That is called yagna.
Okay.
Okay. So that time Daksha realized that what I did. Then he prayed again. Then what did Lord Shiva? He implanted one goat head into the Daksha. So Daksha will be having goat head. Like Ganesha, Lord Ganesha is having elephant head. Similarly, Daksha will be having goat head. That was done by Lord Shiva. Okay. So this is everything happened because of pride, arrogance of Daksha. Okay, Samriddhi, you read this one.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes.
Shipal's mother asked Krishna to
Sisupal,
forgive her.
Sisupal's mother.
Shishupal's mother asked Krishna to forgive her son 100 times. Krishna killed Shishupal using the Thunderthumb chakra when he then Krishna for the 101st time.
110. Okay. So this is another story where Sisupal was very pride. He is also like a demon. It's a demon. So Sisupal is one of the cousin brother of Krishna. And so Krishna was supposed to kill Sisupal. That's why the mother of Sisupal asked Krishna that, okay, you are going to kill, but you please forgive at least 100 sin of him. Okay. So Krishna, what he did, he forgave. But at the 101 time when he committed the sin, that time he abused Krishna. That time Krishna killed him with Sudarshan Chakra. This is because of pride, anger, enviousness towards Krishna, Sisupal. Okay. So this is a Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Siksastakam. So now Dhanya, are you there? Please read the sloka. This is in Bengali. This sloka is in Bengali. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Siksastakam. Dhanya, please unmute.
Dhanya, you can unmute. Hare Krishna.
Trinat api suneche nam terror api sahisnuhana amai nina manadena kartaniya sadaharhi.
Yes, so this is in actually this is in Bengali. So it's not like Sanskrit. Now Krishnangi, read this meaning. Krishnangi, are you there? Hare Krishna.
Yes, you can unmute.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes,
May I
read this.
read it?
Yeah.
One should chant the holy name of the Lord in a humble state of mind, thinking oneself lower than the straw in the street. One should be more tolerant than a tree, devoid of all sense of false prestige, and should be ready to offer all respect to others. In such a state of mind, one can chant the holy name of Lord constantly.
So here the given how to chant. You have to chant very humbly. You should not be very arrogant or pride. So you have to think the chanting is holy name of Lord is very auspicious. You should not be very proud of chanting. So you should think oneself lower than the straw. You should think yourself very insignificant. You should not disrespect anyone. You have to respect the chanting name also, respect others also. Like that you will do means it will work. Okay. Again Dhanya, 16.21 sloka.
Dhanya, you can unmute. Hare Krishna.
Trividam narakasyedam dvaram nasanam atmanah काम क्रोधास्तताला लोभास तस्मैद् एतात्रयं त्यजेत्.
Okay. Okay, you read the meaning also. Okay, there are 3 gates leading to hell. One is lust, anger, and greed. So these 3 things we have to be very careful. So the person developing lust, anger, greed. Lust means what? Suppose you want one thing, you have to be, you can do anything for that. That is also lust. Anger means you should be very angry on small things, and you are greedy. So all these 3 things are very bad thing, and it can lead to the hell. So you can see here Draupadi. Okay, this is the Kauravas, the lusty. That's why they committed a crime. So this is also a demoniac quality. Who is this 2 person fighting? Can anyone tell?
Bhim and Duryodhana.
Yes. So Bhim and Duryodhana fighting. So here anger toward Pandavas. Kauravas were very much anxious. They are angry towards Pandava. So that is also a demoniac quality. Now, greed towards the kingdom of Hastinapur. Kaurava were very much greedy. They wanted Hastinapur because it's a beautiful kingdom. Na? So that is the reason they wanted Pandavas to go away and they will rule the Hastinapur. So, 4 defects of human being. You can see usually we commit mistake. You can see many times we try to do everything perfectly, but it's not possible. Many times we commit the mistake. We are illusioned. Okay, we think differently. Imperfect senses. As a human being, we are having many senses, 5, 6 senses, and these are not perfect. Tendency to cheat each other. This is very dangerous. Always human try to cheat other human being. So these are the 4 defects in human being. And here you can see different yuga, divine and demons and place. Now in Satya Yoga, see here, Barahadeva is the divine. He is the incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Hiranyaksha is the demon. Hiranyaksha. Now it happened in different planets. Treta Yuga, it is the Rama and
May I
Ravana.
read it?
Yes. What is your name?
Krishnangi.
Okay, read.
Yuga, Treta Yuga, divine Rama, demon Ravan,
Yes.
and place different country.
Yes. So this happened, Treta Yuga means it is in the same, in the earth, different country. Then Dwapar.
Dwapar Yuga, divine Pandavas, demon Kauravas, and place same family.
Yes. So same family they were fighting. Kali. Yes.
Kali Yuga, divine humility, helping others, tolerance, etc. Demon anger, greed, jealousy, lust, etc. And place some same person.
So that means in Satya Yoga, they were fighting in different planets. Treta Yoga in different country of same planet. Dwapar Yoga, same family, okay, but different person. In Kali Yuga, what happened? The divine and demoniac nature exist in same person. Each person will be having some divine qualities, some demoniac qualities. So God is telling you have to remove the demoniac qualities and increase the divine quality. Okay. This is that in Satya Yuga is Barahadev. Is the incarnation of Lord Vishnu and he is the Hiranyaksha, the demon. This is Rama and Ravan. Okay. This is Pandava and Kauravas in the same family. They are fighting. And this is the Kali Yuga where the same person is having 2 qualities, divine and demoniac. The same person. Now, we all have demon inside us, like Kangsha, Sisupal. How to overcome it? Can anyone tell? Already some people told how to overcome it. By doing the devotional service, okay? By chanting the holy name of Lord, by doing kirtan, by doing worship, deity worship, cooking prasadam for God. So by all these things, we can remove the demoniac quality and divine nature will increase. Can anyone read this? Arab is there or Jamit is there? Jamit?
Yes, Prabhuji, Jaimit.
Yes.
Yes, you can unmute Jaimit.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Can you read this?
Yes, Prabhuji. Gigo. Garbage in, garbage out. Thoughts in mind, words, action, habit, character.
So what happened actually? So first you have to, it come in the thought or mind, some bad things, then it comes in the word. Okay, so you think first, then you scold someone like that. Without thinking, you cannot scold. So that is the word. then slowly this word will come in action. For example, you are scolding through 2-3 times, then you start beating. That is called action. Then it became a habit. Then slowly every day you'll do like that. Every day you scold someone, beat someone, it will be a habit. Then that will be your character. Your character will change from good character to bad character. Then again this bad character will influence your mind. So it is just like a cycle going on. Okay, that is called garbage in, garbage out. Whatever is going to your mind, that will come to your nature, character, and habit.
Prabhuji, this was the Gigo concept.
Prabhuji,
Yeah,
this ego
yeah.
concept is in computer, no?
Yes, yes. Yesterday we have discussed, na?
Garbage in,
How,
garbage out.
yes. So how you'll keep this input, like that you'll get the output. That is called Gigo concept. Who is there? Arab is there? Arab?
Prabhuji, can I read?
Prabhuji, may I read?
1 minute. Arab is supposed to read. He is not reading.
Yes, Arav, you can unmute.
Never trust your mind. Never fall for the negative thoughts of your mind. Make your mind your best friend. Train your mind in a positive attitude. Watch out for the demons in your mind. Take advice from your superiors. Never worry about your problems.
Yes. So the moral of this thing is, all this presentation is, never trust your mind. So mind is very dangerous. Yesterday somebody was asking whether I listen to my mind or my heart. So never listen to your mind, because mind will always take you in wrong way most of the time. So always you have to judge your mind. You have to train your mind. Then mind will be your best friend. Never fall for negative thought of your mind. Okay, most of the time mind will think negatively. Make your mind your best friend. So if you will be able to control your mind, then he will be your best friend. If you cannot control your mind, just you are going to listen your mind, then he will be your worst enemy. Okay, so you can make your mind a friend, you can make your mind an enemy. That depends if you are controlling your mind or not. Train your mind.
What is video?
Which one?
Prabhuji, the first line it is written video.
No, no, this is not. The video, one video was there in the last presentation. That's not. Train your mind in positive virtue. Watch out for the demons in your mind. Okay. So your mind always take you in wrong direction. That's why it is called demon. It's like demon. Take advice from your superiors. If your family means, you can take the advice from your elder brother, from your parents. They are superior, they will guide you. But don't listen to your mind always. Never worry about your problems. Never worry about a problem. Means problem will come and problem will go. Suppose you will be worrying, means problem will increase always. So there is just, here you can see one important thing. Do you have the problem in your life? No. If no, then why to worry? So you should not worry if there is no problem. Suppose yes, there is problem, then next is, can you do something about it? No, I cannot do. Then why to worry? Okay. Can you do something about it? Yes, I can do something. Then do it. Why to worry? So that means he's telling at no condition you should be worrying. You should not worry at all. Either it happens or not happen, you should not worry. Okay. Always try to do the good thing and try to do the best. If you worry, means your problem will not be solved. This is all about Acha. I think everyone finished. Can anyone tell the Panchatattva mantra? Hare Krishna, unmute someone. Anyone can tell Panchatattva mantra?
Yes, Sai Deepak, you can unmute. Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, the Panchatattva mantra is Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Yes, very good. So,
Prabhuji, actually, I should, be the one who's translations reading, but you didn't call out my name.
what is your name?
Sai Deepakaita. You can call me Deepu if you feel it difficult.
Okay, okay. But today your name was not taken. Tomorrow will do. Okay, na? Tomorrow
Okay,
you
Aditi
come.
Kamath actually took my name in her book or
Okay,
whatever
today
it was.
actually Aditi is not joined. So that's why. Okay, you tomorrow you come little early, 9 o'clock. Okay.
Actually, I came at 9 o'clock only today.
Okay, then I'll write down. What is your name? Again
Tomorrow
you tell.
it's my
Saidi
chapter and this is
Pagaita.
my name
Prabhuji.
for shloka reading.
Okay, you
Saidi
come early.
Pagaita, Prabhuji.
We'll
Okay,
tell
Prabhuji.
you. Okay. So this is
Okay.
the mantra by which you can get the mental peace. That is, one time you have to tell Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasudhi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. This is the Panchatattva mantra. Then you have to tell the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Sri Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is 108 times. So one mala consists of one Panchatattva mantra and 108 times Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Okay. So this is all about the chapter. So